Where did the money go in Q1 of 2024? In this video, we'll give you a breakdown of which asset classes were popular across the Australian ETF industry for the quarter and our top 3 funds in terms of flows. When we are referring to flows, we're talking about the net investments made into ETFs. The first quarter of 2024 saw several regions' equity markets trade at all-time highs as a shift from US tech exceptionalism to a broadening out narrative began. Resilient economic growth and low unemployment, coupled with moderating inflation, led markets higher. Solid quarterly earnings results, particularly from the US technology giants, dominated headlines. Domestically, strong gains from the major banks led to new highs in Australian equities. Here's a breakdown of ETF industry flows by different asset classes. International equity ETFs received the most inflows by asset class, with net inflows of 2.87 billion Australian dollars. Australian equity ETFs followed with inflows of 1.43 billion. Cash and fixed income products saw moderate flows, with an uptick in March leading to $808 million for the quarter. Despite the strong performance of gold and oil, commodity ETFs saw net outflows of $112 million over the quarter. Here are the funds that got the largest flows from our own product suite. Number 1, Betashares Australia 200 ETF, ASX A200. Resilient economic growth has favoured pro-cyclical and value-orientated equity markets like Australia, which are heavily exposed to the banking and mining industries. We expect that a renewal in global manufacturing should support commodity prices for the remainder of 2024. A200 saw net inflows of $527 million for the quarter. Number 2, Betashares Global Shares ETF, ASX code BGBL. An increased likelihood of a soft landing scenario has been supported for risk assets, with BGBL up 14% for Q1. The US economy remains strong, with low unemployment and recent manufacturing data at levels suggestive of economic expansion. Outside of the US, Japan's Nikkei 225 reached all-time highs as semiconductor companies look to expand manufacturing in Japan. For more information on Japan's recent performance, check out the link here. BGBL gained $240 million in net flows for the quarter. Number 3, Betashares NASDAQ 100 ETF, ASX code NDQ. The NASDAQ 100 index remains the market's focus for technology and AI-related developments. Stellar performance by tech companies like Nvidia, Meta, and Amazon were fueled by exuberance for new AI products and subsequent demand for advanced semiconductor chips. NDQ saw $184 million of net inflows for the quarter. For more market insights and updates, subscribe to the channel.